In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge using Word, Excel, and Outlook. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to send personalized emails or letters to a large group of recipients without manually editing each message. Imagine you're reaching out to new clients, sending invitations, or distributing newsletters. This technique simplifies your communication process tremendously. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by creating an Excel sheet that will serve as your database of contacts. Open Excel and set up your columns with headers for information such as first name, email, and company. For example, you might enter John in the first name column, john@email.com in the email column, and ABC Limited in the company column. Repeat this with all the contacts you want to reach. Once you've entered your data, make sure to save your Excel file in a location you can easily find later. This is a crucial step as this file is what Word will reference when personalizing each email or letter. Now we'll dive into Word to start the mail merge process. Open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Mailings tab. Click on Start Mail Merge to begin. Here you can choose the format you need, from email messages to letters, depending on how you plan to reach your audience today. For sending emails, select Email Messages. If letters are your preferred medium, simply choose Letters. Once you've set the mail merge type, it's time to connect your Word document to your Excel list. Click on Select Recipients in the Mailings tab and opt for Use an Existing List. Locate and select your saved Excel file and then pick the worksheet that contains your list of contacts. This step is vital as it links your Word document to the detailed list in Excel. The next step involves crafting your message. In Word, draft the content you wish to send. For instance, your message might start with, "Hello, first name, thank you for your interest in our services. Regards, your company." Notice the placeholders and angle brackets. These are your merge fields. They will be replaced with actual data from your Excel file for each email or letter sent. With your message ready, insert these merge fields into your document. Click Insert Merge Field on the Mailings tab and select fields like first name, company, or email. This personalizes your message for each recipient, seamlessly integrating specific details into your communication. Before sending your messages, it's wise to preview them. Use the Preview Results button to see how your final output will look for each recipient. This allows you to confirm that all fields are properly populated and that your message reads well. Finally, it's time to send your personalized emails through Outlook. Click Finish and Merge, and then select Send Email Messages. You'll choose the email column for the To field and set your subject line. Decide whether you want the content to appear as HTML or plain text. Click OK, and your emails will be dispatched via Outlook, personalized to each recipient without requiring manual editing. This approach not only saves time but ensures consistency and a professional touch to all your communications.